First open your desired browser. Now paste this link and press enter. Click on download now. Click on your desired distribution. Click on save file and press enter. Now go to download folder. Right-click the downloaded file, then open with software install. Now click on install button. Now type your password and press enter. Wait for the AnyDesk installation process to complete. Let's check. All links and useful information is now available in our blogs. I hope it can help you today. If you have any issues, please let me know in the comment section. If you like our videos, then please subscribe to our channel and press bell icon for latest updates.